Hi everyone, welcome back to Fbmfox.com. We just released Amazon listing. So previously you could only list from eBay, and then we released Walmart, and then now we also have Amazon. So look out for the extension version 1.7. This includes all the updates. And just want to say, if you like our work so far, go ahead and thumbs up, share. If you want to be an affiliate, please contact us at admin@fbmfox.com. and we'll give you your own personal coupon code. And you know, it's still early in the Facebook marketplace era, so you could get a ton of people to sign up for software, and with our software you get monthly recurring revenue for anybody who has signed up with your coupon code. So go ahead and do that, let us know, and let's jump right into the demonstration. So for me personally, this item has been selling a lot. This is from Amazon.com, and I found it on eBay, but the link that I found it on actually expired. So this is sort of an old item that I listed, but this is how it used to look. And sometimes, you know, the description has a lot of garbage from the user that we don't really want from the eBay user. And usually we just want their title, because titles are curated to ensure sales on eBay for the most part. So you could go ahead and save, go to Amazon, go on any listing. It works with variations and all that. But just copy to Fbmfox, and then just like normal, you would go to your listings, and I believe it starts with an O, so Ontel. Okay, so just go to Facebook and click on O Ontel, and then list selected. There you go. So we quickly just copied everything from the original description, which is usually useful because it doesn't have a lot of garbage that eBay descriptions usually have. And then what you can do is just copy the eBay title and go ahead and paste it in here, and it'll update. So whatever your title is here in your products, if you just search really quickly, you'll see that it has already updated, and it's $20 right now. But on Amazon it's $20. So we'll just quickly change this to, let's say 32 sounds good. Educational toys, and click next, and on, and you could simply list the entire thing. But I'll leave that for later. But anyways, once you're done that, obviously in your products it will show that it's listed, and then it will start price tracking it. So that's all for Amazon. If you like the video, please drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you want us to add more suppliers, or if you know someone who's not using Fbmfox because we don't have a certain supplier, please let us know, and we'll make sure to get that supplier done for them. We will be doing Home Depot, we will be doing Sears, Overstock, all the popular ones. But if you have a request, please let us know and we'll get that done. Thank you. Bye.